Hello viewers, welcome to the night episode of knowledge sharing. Before I continue, like us, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments and share video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says simplify square root of 125 plus square root of 25 all over square root of 125 minus square root of 25. So we are going to simplify this. So we have here solution. So we are given square root of 125 plus square root of 25 all over square root of 125 minus square root of 25. So in this case, we all know that 125 equals to 25 times 5. So we are going to replace 25 times 5 in the place of 125. So the whole of here will become square root of 25 times 5 plus square root of 25 all over square root of 25 times 5 minus square root of 25. So here we can rewrite it as square root of 25 times square root of 5 plus square root of 25 all over square root of 25 times square root of 5 minus square root of 25. So we have square root of 25 and square root of 25 here. They are common, and here we have square root of 25. So we can factor it out. So this is the same thing as square root of 25 into, when we divide square root of 25 times square root of 5 by square root of 25, it will give us square root of 5. Then we divide square root of 25 by square root of 25, it will give us plus 1. So for the denominator, we have square root of 25 into, when we divide here by here, we are going to have square root of 5. Then we have, when we divide this one by here, we have minus 1. So this is what we have. In this case, we can see that this will cancel this. So we are now left with square root of 5 plus 1 all over square root of 5 minus 1. So this is in a short form. What we are going to do is for us to rationalize this by multiplying by its conjugate, or by multiplying the denominator and the numerator by its conjugate. So this will become, so we are going to multiply the numerator by square root of 5. That will be minus, that will be plus 1, because conjugate of the denominator is square root of 5 plus 1. So we are multiplying this by square root of 5 plus 1. So here, by expanding this is parenthesis, we have this. So expanding this, we have, this will give us square root of 5 times square root of 5 is going to be square root of 5 to the power of 2. So we have square root of 5 times 1 is going to be plus square root of 5, and we have 1 times square root of 5 is going to be plus square root of 5. Then we have 1 times 1 going to give us plus 1 all over. So we multiply the numerator, we have square root of 5 times square root of 5 gives us square root of 5 to the power of 2. Then we have square root of 5 times 1 will give us plus square root of 5. We have minus 1 times square root of 5, we have minus square root of 5. Then we have minus 1 times 1 will give us minus 1. So here we can see that for the denominator, plus square root of 5 will cancel minus square root of 5. So we are now left with, here we have this same thing as square root of 5 to the power of 2. 2 will cancel here, and we cancel the square root. We are now left with 5. So here we have square root of 5 plus square root of 5. We have plus 2 square root of 5. Then we bring down plus 1 all over. In this case, 2 will cancel here, and 2 will cancel the square root. We are now left with 5. Then here we'll cancel out, we have minus 1. So this is what we have. So for here, this is the same thing as 5 plus 1, we have 6. Then we have plus 2 root 5 all over. Here is 5 minus 1, this is 4. So we can see that we have 6 and 2. And 2 is a factor, we can factor it out. So this will become 2 into 6 all over 2 will give us 3, then plus the whole of here divided by 2 will give us root 5 all over 4. So doing, we can have here 2 will cancel here 1 and 2 will cancel here 2. So we are now left with 3 plus root 5 all over 2. So this is our simplified answer to this question. So this is method 1. We can see another way and another method that we can solve for us to see whether we can arrive at 3 plus root 5 all over 2. So let's do this. So we claim this. So we have that first method was method 1. So this is method 2. So this is what we are going to do. We have here square root of 125 plus square root of 25 all over square root of 125 minus square root of 25. So we have this. You can see that here is in a short form. The other method that we had a factor of 125 and we replace that with 125. So in this case, what we are going to do is for us to use a short form directly to solve for this equation. So what we are going to do is for us to rationalize this by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by its conjugate. That means for the numerator, it's going to be multiplied by the conjugate. Conjugate of the denominator is square root of 125 plus square root of 25 all over square root of 125 plus square root of 25. So we are going to multiply numerator and the denominator. So we have this, and this will become, we have square root of 125 plus square root of 25 all to the power of 2 for the numerator, and the denominator we still have square root of 125 minus square root of 25 into square root of 125 plus square root of 25. So this is what we have now. And here you can see that for the numerator, it is in the form a plus b all to the power of 2. And here, this is the solution of where we have a to the power of 2 plus 2ab plus b to the power of 2. And the denominator, it is in the form, is a difference of 2 square, where we have a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 equals to a minus b into a plus b. So the numerator is what we have here, and the denominator is what we have here. For the denominator, where we have a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 equals to a minus b into a plus b. So we have this in this form. So we are going to represent this in this form. In this situation, we have this place as a and we have here as b. This is our a and this is our b. So here, for the numerator, we have here as a and we have here as b. So for the numerator, we are going to represent this in this format. So this will become, we have a to the power of 2 is square root of 125 all to the power of 2. That is here, we have plus 2 times a. Our a is root 125 times our b is root 25. Then we have plus b to the power of 2, which is plus root 25 to the power of 2 all over. We have here, for the numerator, we have a to the power of 2, which is root 125 to the power of 2. So we have here minus b to the power of 2, which is minus root 25 all to the power of 2. So this is what we have. And here, we can see that 2 cancel here and 2 cancel the square root. 2 cancel here and 2 cancel the square root. 2 cancel here and 2 cancel the square root. We have 2 cancel here and 2 cancel the square root. We are now left with, this will give us 125. We bring down plus 2 root 125 times root 25 plus, here we have 25 all over, here we have 125 minus 25. So this is what it becomes. So in this situation, this is the same thing as we have here 125 plus 25 will give us 150. We have plus 2. Here we have 125 is the same thing as root 25 times root 5. Then we have times root 25 all over 125 minus 25 will give us 100. So in this situation, we have here will become 150 plus, you know that root 25 times root 25 will give us 25. So we see half times 2 times root 5. We are now left with root 5. So this is what will become. So all over 100. So here we can see that this is 25 times 2. So this will become 150 plus 50. 25 times 2 is 50 times root 5 all over 100. So here we can move over to this other side by cleaning this. So we need to bring over to this other side. So here, as we said, we have 150 plus 50 root 5 all over 100. So doing, we have 150 and we have 50. 50 is a factor. We can factor it out. So we have 50, 150 divided by 50 will give us 3. Then 50 root 5 divided by 50 will give us plus root 5. So all over, we have here 100. So 50 will cancel here 1 and 50 will cancel here 2. So we are now left with 3 plus root 5 all over 2. So we still arrive at the same answer when we simplify through this method 2, and it still give us 3 plus root 5 all over 2, and it satisfies this question that was asked. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.